In this video, we want to show you how you can integrate Amazon products from the Amazon PartnerNet or Amazon Shop onto your website using our in-house AAWP API. So, what is the current problem with the Amazon API? For you to be able to use the Amazon Creator API, Amazon stipulates that you must achieve a certain volume of sales. This presents an almost insurmountable challenge, particularly for newcomers in this specific domain, making it impossible for them to fulfill the necessary prerequisites for an Amazon Creator API. It is precisely because of this challenge that we have developed our very own in-house AAWP API. With this, our customers have the ability at any time to integrate Amazon products onto their website, even without a valid Amazon Creator API. In order to gain full access to our exclusive in-house AAWP API, you will have the opportunity to select from a diverse range of available subscription plans. We currently provide options ranging from 150 products per month, extending up to a maximum of 1,000 products each month. You can find the link to the documentation as well as the link to purchase the AAWP API below the video in the description. After you have acquired a suitable AAWP API plan, you can return to your AAWP dashboard in WordPress and click once on Settings and then on the AAWP API tab. By the way, you'll receive the API key for our AAWP API directly via email. You can then simply copy it from there and paste it into the designated field here under API key. Please also make sure that you have selected the correct Amazon shop here under country. This will usually be either amazon.de or amazon.com. You also need to enter your tracking ID here. Afterwards, you can activate our AAWP API under the status section with a single click. Then click Save Settings to apply the status. And here's a quick note for all of you who previously used the Amazon API and no longer meet the requirements. Please make absolutely sure that the status here is set to disconnected before you activate our AAWP API. To verify that we have successfully connected the AAWP API, we can also directly insert a product into our editor or alternatively onto our website. I'll now choose the AAWP widget from here, then click on Product Box and proceed to search for a product right here. I'll search for dog here, then click Search and the relevant products will appear. Next, I'll select a product, confirm it, and then the Amazon product should be displayed here. Well, look at this. The Amazon product has been successfully integrated right here as a product box, and with that, our AAWP API is now working perfectly.